Hello guys, what's up? Today I will show you how you can replace the battery of a Seat or a Seat Ibiza car key. It's quite easy to do. Just take a flathead screwdriver, put it in here, and then you have to use it like leverage and do it upside, so like this. And then you can take it out. This is the key, and here is the remote control and the battery in it. You can see over here and here two little hooks. Just pull them outside like that. And you can open the key, and to remove the battery, normally here is also a little black plastic hook, but the previous time when I changed the battery, that was broken off, so you have to be very careful with that, because the plastic, when it's old, it is possible that it breaks. But so normally you have to push this little hook over there, and then you can take it out like that, the battery. And then we will take a new battery. Don't touch the new battery with your bare fingers. You can wear gloves, or you can take a little piece of cotton. Like that. And then push it. And then it's very easy to do. Just put it in the right position and click it. And then you can see it's not like that, but like that. And just push it, and your key, your battery of your car key is replaced. That's all, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.